My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. And welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been doing this work for 1973. I'm an expert in tax resolution matters, actually a national expert. I've been on Fox and ABC, so whatever I tell you, it's probably good for you to listen to. As a former IRS agent, there's a lot of fluff out there of people who are just trying to get you to click on, and they really do advertising, for certain things. They want this and that, and they set you up with bait. What I try to do is, I don't care whether you do the work yourself or not. I'm trying to pull the curtain back so you understand what's important and what isn't, and you get all this white noise out of the way. I used to teach the offer program at IRS. When I mean teach it, I was a teaching instructor. If you qualified and you've been there a while, you got to work offers. So I would teach those people how to work the offer for the government. So the things that I'm going to tell you today are very relative for you to know and understand, since I put offers through myself and I got a pretty high rate of off success, and I really should. So I want to talk to you today about a number of things that if you don't do these, you're not going to get your offer and compromise accepted. So as an agent reviewing these, the first thing I'm going to do, some of them are very easy and natural, but I'm throwing in some tricks, is make sure the forms are filled out correctly. IRS is looking to close their cases. Your offer isn't filled out, zzz, it goes right back. Closed case, they didn't do a damn thing on it. So make sure you keep the case in there by filling everything out correctly. The other thing is you have to make sure the computations on your forms are correct. That is, you've added the correct numbers up. A lot of offers get back because you just do the simple math. The offer did not even fit what the form says. So make sure they're correct. Third, and the biggest, is not understanding the national standards expenses for for income and expenses. IRS has a very strict program on how much you can spend a month depending on where you live and your income. If you don't understand the IRS national expenses, don't even bother filling out an offer and compromise, because it is not going to be accepted. Fourth is you have to have all your tax returns filed. Make sure every single tax return is filed and in the system. You also have to be current for the year we're in. We're in 2022. You have to make sure your withholding is up to date, and you have to make sure your tax returns are filed, your holding or estimate payments are up to date. So if you have to, let someone else review the firm if you are do-it-yourselfer. On easy cases, small cases, do them yourself. If you owe $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 and your offer is getting up there and you have business income and expenses, I'm just going to tell you, you got to hire a professional. The only way you're really going to have a chance. The offers are made to be complicated to discourage them. IRS would easily just as well reject it than work the case. The average offer takes about, 20 hours. A couple other tips you need to know. When we are working offers, IRS will pull up a LexisNexis. They'll know everything about you. They're going to pull your credit report up, and they're going to have a lot of tools available to them. They're going to look at your 1040 income. They're going to see your education. It's a whole process to accept someone's offer and compromise. So once I said on simple cases, just do it yourself. When you're getting up there in dollars, especially if you have a business or a company, you're not going to have a prayer in hell, because there's just too many little things you need to know. And usually when someone comes to us for me to file their offer, I don't file it right away. I have to kind of make the case approachable and workable so I can drive the lowest possible settlement for you. So if you ever called me to work your offer and I say it's going to take 4 months, it's not because I'm slow. It's not because I'm old, because your financial statement isn't ready to go. If you found this information helpful, please go ahead, give me a subscription. YouTube likes to do that. Give me a like, and you can leave a comment. You can call me anytime if you want me to review your case or if you want to work it. Thank you for listening.